Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2017 Kia Niro. Now on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness provides a 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. This does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area, and there's one on each side. Plug in these T connectors, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Ground your white wire here to a good clean ground, and then this black wire is your power wire. That'll need to run to your vehicle's battery. Now this harness does include this tail light converter, this black box right here, and this is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a power module, that's why you end up connecting it directly to your battery, and that's to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter is constructed using SMT Technology, which is surface mount technology. It's designed for consistent, reliable performance, helps maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it'll also ensure superior operation in any rough road conditions. This does come with this nice dust cap for your 4-way, and what's nice with that is you can just pop it onto the 4-way, and you can leave it on there if you'd like. But what's nice is when you're not plugged into your trailer, just put that dust cap over the terminals, and it keeps it from any damage or from the elements. Now this part is made in the USA. A few specs on this. The maximum amperage on the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. On the tail light circuit is 6 amps. Now it does come with everything shown here on the table. Even has a nice set of detailed instructions that'll describe how to install it, and even gives you good pictures of where to install everything. Now I am going to show you where all these parts go, but basically when you go to install this again, you go to the rear cargo area of your vehicle and then gain access behind the tail lights, and you'll want to start on the driver's side, and you'll take this T connector here that has the yellow wire in it, that's for your driver's side, and you'll plug this into the matching connectors behind the tail lights. And then you'll have this white wire with the eyelet on it. That needs to connect to a good clean ground. If there's one nearby, you can use that. If not, they do include a grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then you'll take your other length of green wire, that's for your passenger side, with the T connector on it, run that over to the passenger side behind the taillights, plug that in the same way. Now your converter box, you do want to attach that to a good flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. So they include this nice double-face tape that you can use to attach that down. And then just run this length of bonded wire out the back. Now what you want to do is you'll have this last wire to attach, this black wire, that's your power wire. That'll have to go all the way up to your vehicle's battery, so they give you this length of wire to do that. And some butt connectors. You put a butt connector on that power wire, connect it to one end of the length of wire, and then run that all the way up to the front. When you get to the front, you don't want to connect this directly to the battery, you want to run it through this inline fuse holder. So take the other butt connector, attach it to one side of the inline fuse holder, just like that. And then your other side, you'll take this eyelet connector, put it on there, and that'll connect to the battery. Once that's all connected, pop open your inline fuse holder. They give you an included 10 amp fuse. Just put that in the fuse holder, put your cap back on there, and now your system will be all ready to go. Now they do give you some extra cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring that you might use. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.